Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I've recently started watercolor painting and I needed some really good high quality paper to make it a little bit easier to learn all the techniques. That's exactly what I got with this watercolor pad by Fingraspuro. This paper is super high quality. It's 140 pound, which doesn't mean a lot to me, but it is very thick, let me tell you that. It's 100% cotton and it absorbs your water and your paints so nicely. Some cheaper paper I've had ends up being all curly and wavy, and this does not do that. It is very nice to work with. It's been really fun to use this paper to experiment with different amounts of water, different paints, different paint brushes. It's been really fun, and I think a lot of it has to do with having really high quality paper to work with. This is a 9 by 12 pad, which is a fairly big piece of paper. So if I'm just kind of experimenting and I'm not working on like an actual project, I like to cut the paper in half so that I get double the amount of sheets. This comes with 30, so a nice size pad. Another nice thing is they have the glue at the top to hold all the pieces together, but each sheet rips off very smoothly. So if you are a pro at watercolor or you're like me and you're just a beginner, high quality paper is something you definitely want to invest in. And this watercolor paper, let me tell you, you will not be disappointed. But that's just my point of view.